I'm trying to talk to every single serious trader out there. I need to show you something super important. I made $18,000 in 2 months automatically using this AI right here. This AI lets you type your strategy, no matter what strategy it is, in plain English, or also you could learn as many strategies as you want. It'll teach you exactly how to trade and then automate it for you. You could launch as many bots as you want all in one place. You could also backtest and monitor the performance. And there's so much more that you haven't seen yet. And if you want to learn more, just click the link below. There's a whole bunch more on my website. And again, I'm not venture backed. All of this is funded by me. I'm the founder. I started this because I myself had absolutely no time to trade. So if you have a job, if you have a wife, if you have kids, if you have friends, if you have family, if you have other things you want to do besides trade all day long and miss out on trades, and you just want everything to be automated and simple, please check out this software. Click below to learn more. See you on the other side. Bye.